What videos?
Did you watch the one on your birthday? At all?
No, I'm recording.
Charisma!
That's so fresh.
Huh?
You guys are so fresh!
Did you get me any presents? What are you doing at my party?
Party, you're Guyanese!
No, I'm recording. It's still recording.
She goes up to this guy. She goes, "Who are you? Did I invite you to my party? Look at you. You're ashamed to show your face."
To like Benjamin, and then like she's like to Benjamin. But then when you're opening up your presents,
It was my birthday.
when you're opening up your present, listen. She's like thanking her. Oh, thank you everybody for the presents. I love them all and this and that. And then one of them she opens up. She goes, "What is that cheap piece?" Like I forgot what did she say.
No, it's like money. Like they open it and it's money and you hear the background. You guys are so cheap!
But not back.
So we have to watch that. It's all like South African kids.